Somewhere deep in your mind, there is a reaction you never talk about. When someone else fails, a quiet sense of relief appears. Not happiness, not pride, just relief. And your brain has a reason for it. Most people will deny this. They'll say, I don't enjoy seeing others fail. But psychology doesn't ask what you say. It studies what your nervous system does. And when someone above you falls, your body relaxes, your chest loosens, your breathing slows. That reaction is not accidental. The human brain is constantly ranking, not consciously, silently. It scans for who is above me, who is below me, who threatens my position. When someone fails, your brain recalculates safety. They're false signals. I am not the weakest. I am not last. I am still surviving. This isn't cruelty. It's ancient survival math. Thousands of years ago, status meant food. Status meant protection. Status meant survival. If someone higher in the group lost power, your chances improved. Your brain learned one thing. Other people's loss can mean your safety. That wiring never disappeared. It only became quieter. Here's the contradiction. Your biology feels relief. Your morality feels guilt. So the mind does something clever. It disguises the feeling. You call it was inevitable. They deserved it. I saw it coming. These are not opinions. They are psychological shields. Humans don't measure happiness in isolation. We measure it comparatively. Not, am I doing well? But what am I doing better than someone? When others succeed, your brain feels threatened. When they fail, your brain feels safe. This doesn't make you evil. It makes you human. Here's the darker layer. The more insecure a person is, the stronger this reaction becomes, because insecurity sharpens comparison. A confident mind doesn't need others to fall. An insecure one quietly hopes they do, not consciously, instinctively. That's the part people avoid admitting. After the feeling appears, the brain rushes to clean up. It tells stories like, they were arrogant. They got lucky anyway. This is balance. These stories protect self-image. They allow you to feel relief without feeling cruel. The moment you become aware of this mechanism, something changes. You stop judging the feeling, and it loses power. Awareness doesn't remove instinct. It prevents it from controlling you. The darkest instincts thrive in silence. Knowing this doesn't make you dark. It makes you conscious. And consciousness is the only thing stronger than instinct.